name is Jessica.
Hello, my name is Freider.
Bueno, por acá tenemos los alimentos, tenemos las frutas, comida. Bueno, acá es brea, pan, queso, cheese, hongos, marru, carne, miel, cebolla, onion, sandía, watermelon.
Por este lado tenemos lo que es la manzana, que sería apple, jugo de naranja, que sería orange juice, lo que sería como café sería coffee y pastel sería cake.
Bueno, por acá tenemos el reloj. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Acá tenemos lo que es la 1:30, que sería as past 1:30. Bueno, entonces por este lado vamos a hacer un breve ejemplo de los adverbios. Por acá tenemos I can to switch, que quiere decir yo sé nadar.
Por este lado tenemos lo que es I don't you anything, que sería que no sé nadar.
Bueno, por acá tenemos I had a motorcycle. How are you?
I am 20 years old.
Yeah, you are old 13. I am older.
I am younger.
My nationality is Colombia. I am from Colombia. My city is Yarumal and I'm living in Yarumal.
My nationality is Panama. My city is Panama. In living Yarumal. Good morning. What go your like for breakfast?
Good morning. I usually have toast and bread.
Te saludo, es cierto. Toast and bread. Would you like anything else?
Yes, can I have tea? Please, please.
1, 2. So tax toast, bread, and there is tax ring.
Yes, thanks, rich, thank you.
Great. Eres yo are enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. I have a daughter and son. Their names are Brianna and Ezekiel. My grandmother name is Ophelia. My father is William. My mother is Olga. I was born on me age 1996.
Hello, my name is Freider. Every morning I always wake up at 6 a.m. and start my day with a cup of coffee. I brush my teeth and then take a shower. After that, I usually eat breakfast. for breakfast. I often add a glass of juice and a piece of bread. Sometimes I don't have much time, so I just grab a banana and leave for work. At around 7:30 a.m., I go to work. I am busy office. So my morning are busy. I usually checks my emails first and they have meetings with my colleagues, which is time is different every day. Sometimes I read for from home, but I sometimes go to a cave near me office. When I go to a cave, I always say, "Can I have sandwich, please?" The waiter usually asks, "Would you like coffee or tea?" I answer, "Coffee, please." I never order a cup of coffee after my meal because it helps me stay awake in the afternoon. My favorite drink is juice, but sometimes I prefer water. In the afternoon, I continue working until around 5:30 MP. Then I go home and watch sometimes watching TV or reading a book. I often go for a walk in the parks, especially where the water is nice. On weekends, we meet with my friends at coffee and we talks about our kid. At 7 p. I have dinner with my family where we are together and talks about our day. After dinner, I sometimes watch a movie or listen to music. Before going to bed, I always prepare my things for the next day. Equal my calendar, set me alarm for 6 a.m. and sometimes I write in my journal 10 around 10 p. I turn off the leaks and go to spec ready for another busy day. Thank you.